Hey everyone, Greg Justice here, and today I want to talk about how you can unplug to feel human again. Now, I recently read an article called 50 Ways to Unplug and Feel Human Again. And wow, it really hit home. You know, these days we're more connected than ever, but sometimes that means we're also more distracted, more anxious, more disconnected from what truly matters. So here's my challenge for you, and for myself. Let's pick one analog habit this week. Something like taking a walk with no phone, writing someone a handwritten note, cooking a meal with no screens, no shortcuts, or how about calling instead of texting? Let's stop scrolling and start living, one quiet, present moment at a time. Because the strongest part of your entire body might just be the ability to slow down.